Okay, once you finish iron on your inner facing, let's go ahead and get started with a tutorial. So you're gonna need one of your fabrics. We are going to curve these corners here. A washi tape. You just have to curve one corner and fold it in half, cut that. Okay, we're gonna get our fabric, which is our lining, and we're gonna place this on top of each other, right side facing together. Pin that in place, so all the way around and come back down. You now have it sewn. Bit inside out. You can take this to the iron and then iron that out. And so we're gonna go to the machine once again, and we're gonna sew all the way around. Okay, let's put that aside for a second and get our other two fabric, and then we're gonna place that on top of the lining, pin that down in place, go to the machine, and we're gonna sew all the way across. Have it sewn on the top, so we're gonna flip this over. We're gonna take this to the iron and just iron this down. This is the bottom part right here. Go ahead and go to machine and sew at the top of this section right here. You should now have it sewn. We're gonna put those two aside for right now. Get our other fabric, and we are going to fold this in half, finding the center and marking it. You're gonna take your flap and the center of the flap closure as well and mark it. Then we're gonna position it right with the center of that one that we marked as well. Pin that in place. And so once you finish pinning that in place, we're gonna get the other one and we're gonna lay this underneath the flap. Make sure it's lined up. Pin that in place. So up here, and then we're gonna sew all the way down, across, and then come back up, stopping right here at the end. I'll be sewn here, down, all the way across, and then up. This next step is optional. Tag and our little hook here, just in case you want to attach this to your purse. This is optional, so if you don't want these two steps, you can skip it. But those that do want the tag on there and the hook, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this and then place these in place. So we're going to get yourself the piece of fabric, be folding. Take that and you're gonna fold it in the center, iron that out. Should leave a mark right there. You're gonna fold it one more time, and you're gonna fold it one more time again, and then one more time, and then you'll have that. And then you're gonna go to machine, and we're gonna sew end and then the other end. Now be sewn top and bottom. Let's go ahead and position these. Your tag, you're gonna place it over here, and then for your little hook, you're gonna fold it in half. Making sure this end here that's folded, we're gonna place it down about 3 centimeters down, put that in place. So you're gonna go to machine and you're gonna just sew that corner, and then you're gonna sew that on there. Now have that sewn on there, the tag and the hook. Next is our zipper. And I think I forgot to mention this in materials that I put up. I don't think I put up a zipper up there, but you do need a zipper, and I'm so sorry about that. I forgot to mention that the measurements of the zipper on the screen so you can see. Okay, so get yourself your zipper, and we're gonna be positioning this in place. So take your zipper, and then you're gonna have it right side facing down on the fabric. I'm gonna pin that in place and get our lining, and we're gonna place that right on top of there and pin that. Just enforce those pins again. You're gonna sew straight over. Okay, you should now have it sewn at the top. So let's go ahead and flip that over. Or you can iron this out. So this flap's going to be up in there. Let's tuck this in the side of the pocket just to get it out of the way. So you're going to get your other fabric, placing this on top of this. Lay that on top of there. Pin that in place. Get your other lining and then pin that in place. You're going to sew all the way across. Now have this sewn over, so we are going to open this up like that. Once again, if you want to take this to the iron, you can iron this out. Sure, we open up our zipper. Always want to do that. So open up your zipper, and then we're going to connect these two together. Two lining is going to touch each other, and then the outer fabric is going to touch each other as well. And then we're going to pin that down. We're going to do the same thing for the other side as well. The section right here, we're going to leave a 7-centimeter gap. Start sewing from that mark right here all the way down, across, up, across again, coming all the way back to that other line, leaving that 7-centimeter gap. And so we can cut these corners. Okay, go ahead and flip that inside out. And you're going to take this to machine and you're going to be sewing that gap right there. You should now have that gap sewn. Let's go ahead and tuck that in. Now we put our buttons. So let's go ahead and fold the flaps so we can get the center. So from the top, it's 4 centimeters all the way down. Now you're gonna poke it through to the next fabric so we can mark it. And so that mark is right here. So I'm gonna put a hole right there. Okay, and then the top one, a hole right there. Position your buttons in there, and then we're done. You should now have your button in position. It's beautiful, y'all. I love it. We are done. Isn't that pretty? That's beautiful. Perfect. Awesome. That's it for our tutorial. So once again, thank you all so much for watching. Thumbs up this video, like, subscribe, all the goodies, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.